I can make parts of a command phrase optional by putting square brackets around the parts that are optional. This is called an optional rule. Talon wake. Command history. Focus notepad. Say my. Space. Inside squares. Phrase magnificent. Go right. Space. Say optional command. Space. Colon. Space. Inside quotes. Sentence. You can choose to add optional words. Comma. Phrase if it is hard to remember exactly what command phrase you wanted. Period. Go up. Go left third. Space. Go way right. Go down. Enter. Enter. Control sun. Talon sleep. I've created a command with an optional word, and I have saved this into talon_rule_examples.talon, which is stored in the Talon user directory. So Talon should have access to this command. Let's test this. Both the commands my optional command and my magnificent optional command should write. You can choose to add optional words if it is hard to remember exactly what command phrase you wanted. Talon wake. My optional command. Space. My magnificent optional command. Talon sleep. Both of those commands worked. Great. So let's clean up because I don't want extra stuff hanging around in my command file. Talon wake. Clear line up fourth. Go up. Clear line. Clear line. Go up. Go down. Clear line. Talon sleep.